So if you have a pending firmware update for the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2, your app will let you know. So anytime you launch the SmartThings app on your phone next to your SmartTag, so here we are. I launch the app like this and then go to that specific SmartTag. If there's a pending firmware update, it's gonna give you a pop-up more often than not. There you go. So you can see it's given us a pop-up. All you have to do now is tap on update, and that's going to update the firmware. It's going to download the firmware and send it to the SmartTag 2. So all you have to do is just wait until this process is over. Thanks for watching and good luck. And once it's done, you'll see that information disappear. You'll see the screen grayed out momentarily. That means the SmartTag 2 is restarting itself, and in a couple of moments it should be ready to go. Thanks for watching and good luck again.